What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Obviously, crazy stuff is happening right now within the markets here. I wasn't able to make a video yesterday. I was a bit busy. Granted, I kind of figured we left off at a good place on Friday, and you can see we've continued to scale the markets falling. Pretty crazy actually here. Just major corrections across the board within the major cryptocurrencies here, but we knew this was going to happen and we called this too. You can see I left drawings from Friday here where we pretty much predicted this correction to take place, and we knew these technical indicators would show these signs. We had a beautiful flag pull up in an ascending triangle here, higher low, higher high, or higher low with the same price ceiling, resistance, tried to break through it just the other day, a couple days ago here, major reversal down, confirmed closure below here, and that opened the short opportunity to the downside on XRP. Extremely easy buying opportunity, and this goes across the board. Solana did the same thing. Once we confirmed closure below our price floor, we had a double top, rejection caused correction here, and once we confirmed closure right here, we shorted it to the downside. Continuing further, Ethereum did similar movements here. Ethereum's in a descending broadening wedge here. You can see consistently correcting to the downside here, consistently falling lower here, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, continuously correcting lower, and at some point or another, now that we're at the bottom, good chance we're going to see reversal, but we'll talk about that in a minute. We were wrong in a sense for Bitcoin. Granted, I had drawn two possibilities here. You knew that here. We are in an ascending broadening wedge. These typically always break down. They are textbook. We thought maybe we'd have one last run before breaking through that. We didn't see that. We saw the run right now, which is all right. It's fine. It's expected. It's anticipated. Ascending broadening wedges always do that, so this was by no means a surprise here. And if we jump closer in, you can see on like the hourly charts here, we are tracking a nice little symmetrical triangle here. We had this major movement filling in the gap, and then we broke down. You can see us correcting to the downside here. Again, a very easy opportunity for us to short, for us to take advantage of here. So I'm excited to go over that as well. They're all just easy plays across the board here. And the S&P is also heading lower. This was the most surprising to me, but we'll go over that in a second. Anywho, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we go any further, just to update you guys, for those that maybe don't know, BYDFI is doing a double rewards giveaway here for the month of August here. Sign up and enjoy double rewards. You can receive a $50 sign-up deposit bonus and a 31-day VIP rate, which is also really cool. What that means on the VIP rate is that you get pretty much extremely low trading fees and a lot of other cool stuff, which you can find out with the link down in the description below. Make sure to check that out ASAP. Like I said, you get tons of free bonuses, tons of, kind of perks that go along with it here. And I'll also be showing you guys later on in today's video how you can get over 2K in free sign-up bonus, and I'll explain a really cool process on why you should be signing up for BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency exchange, later on in today's episode. But like I said, check them out, link down in the description below. Anywho, you can see on the current coin market cap, we're down 2.24%, trading at 48. We were at 56 on the Fear and Greed Index. We are sliding lower. Crazy. Bitcoin's down 10.5%. Ethereum 10.7. BNB 9.3. Solana 22.3. Doge 17.8. Cardano 12.7. I mean, everything is just dumping, and I mean dumping to the downside here. Look at the corrections that are taking place across the board here. Every single cryptocurrency is falling and falling and falling and falling and falling. But it's not surprising. We've expected this. We've anticipated this. We knew we were coming to the end on a lot of these major cryptocurrencies, and we knew we'd have the opportunity to buy in and take advantage of it. We had a major, look at this. We had a major descending fractal forming on XRP's weekly. On daily, excuse me. And on the weekly, we knew this would happen too. Check it out. On the weekly chart, we have been in a descending fractal here for a very long time, continuously correcting lower, continuously pulling to the downside here. You could see the major price ceilings up top here, and you can see the major floors of support here. We knew we would be correcting lower here. Every time we hit bottom, what happens? We rally up. We hit a bottom, we rally up. We hit the bottom, we rally up. It's obvious. History has been repeating itself. We hit the top, we reverse down, hit the top, reverse down, hit the top, reverse down. Same thing here. It's no surprise. This was an easy buy-in. And you can see on the weekly charts here how many these candles, these wicks we've done. So the fact that as of this weekend or this week, we saw a wick above here, we knew by no means would we be buying into long this because we haven't closed above there. We were waiting for the weekly closure. If we closed the weekly here, oh, I'd buy in a heartbeat. But we knew we'd most likely be seeing correction because that's what happens here all the time on XRP. We are using support here, but this was an easy short opportunity. I mean, come on, guys. It doesn't get any more textbook, just freaking obvious than this. We had a beautiful buy-in, descending, broadening wedge. Bought in right here, long that to the upside. We then formed an ascending triangle, rejection off price ceiling, downtrend, and price ceiling, like I said, and that caused a short position here. We confirmed closure right below support, and we bought into short to the downside here. Again, just easy opportunities to take advantage of these markets here. Now we're retesting moving average, and support will probably hold this for a little bit here. We'll see how we open up tomorrow, but we could take advantage of all these trades on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BYDFI lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on BYDFI is, or on an exchange, is offered on BYDFI. The best part and the plan of action here. Check out this. So what you do is you take advantage. You sign up with the link down below. It's completely free. Get the double rewards bonus. Get your VIP rate and the $50 bonus here by depositing into the account. Head right on over to the demo or onto the rewards, welcome rewards page. You do some of these tasks here. You can claim over $2,000 in free bonus money. Keep onto that bonus money. I'll explain more. Head on over to the demo trading account. They give you 50K Monopoly money, simulation money to test your skills, get familiar with the exchange, learn how the platform works, test your skills. If you can make some profitable trades on the demo account, then head on over to the live account and then using that bonus money, that 2K in bonus money, trade around with that, and all the profit you earn off the bonus money, you get to withdraw completely to your Coinbase account, wherever you want, withdraw from the website and deposit into your bank. That's how I first started on BYDFI, and I highly recommend it. I highly recommend you guys practice that too. Even those advanced traders, use the demo account. It's free, and you get to learn the exchange, which is awesome too. Buy long, sell short, create, take profits, stop losses, everything you'd want is offered here. And moving forward from BYDFI to look at Solana here beyond XRP, check this out too. We have Solana correcting. We're down a moving average here. We're hitting a floor, and likely we're going to hang out here. I don't think we're going to continue to drop. Possible, of course, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think now we're going to start to see this reversal back up. I think we've fallen enough. You can see this major drop that we're going to be reversing back up to price ceiling. And you guys probably don't hear it, but there's like Hurricane Daria, I think it's called. It's happening right outside, and holy cow, is it dumping out of my window. It's insane here. But so there's a lot of noise in the background, but you probably don't hear with this mic. Anywho, I would expect to see reversal back up soon within a lot of these cryptos. Same thing with Solana. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum's coming to the end of its support here. I mean, this is... Ethereum might be the best short long opportunity here. Check this out. I'm scaling this down. You can see the descending fractal. These are bullish. They have a bullish bias, but we need to break through it, obviously, here. But we are at such a low point in the market that we're more than likely going to do something like this. That's where I can see Ethereum heading in the very near future here. And then to wrap up today's video, we'll look at Bitcoin and the S&P 500. Check it out. With Bitcoin here, ascending, broadening wedge, heading up higher. More than likely, filling in this gap, we broke down. Ascending, broadening wedges always break down. Ascending, broadening wedges, they break down. They are textbook bearish here. Check it out right here. These always correct to the downside here. I wish it would load in clear, but you can see we have the, here we go. Higher low, higher highs, we break down from it. Bitcoin, higher low, higher highs, we break down from it. And we broke out and we fell to a support here, which looks great. Again, we are now at a bottom on, you can see on Bitcoin on the 4-hour. And if we jump to the daily, you can see how we've been using this support for a very long time, and here we are again. So with that being said, the fact that we broke out of it here, we're probably going to use this as well to rebound. So I'd likely expect to see this pattern take place as well on Bitcoin. So they're all screaming buy in, as there's a good chance you're going to be longing these positions in the near future. Scary part is S&P broke into its descending fractal again. I wasn't expecting that. I actually thought we'd be out of it here because you can see we broke out of it right here, but then we fell back inside, which is nuts. Although I do think we are looking good. We're now retesting the daily moving average here. We'll see how we react. The idea is either we're going to head down to here, then pop off, or we could pop out of it now. I'm not entirely sure, but these markets are freaking crazy. So with that being said, though, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.